Okay, let me first welcome you to Hyderabad city. Sunny, are you coming for the first time?
Yes, I am.
How was your experience?
So far, I've been at this lovely hotel, and I'm not sure if we're going to get a chance to leave today, but maybe. We'll see what happens.
Have you gone around, seen Hyderabad, Charminar, and had a taste of biryani?
I had biryani for lunch, but it was here, and then we drove around from the airport all the way to this lovely hotel, and that's about all my tour was.
What about Dino? What do you have to say about the Hyderabad city?
I love the city. I've been here many times. I have seen the Charmin. I've shot a couple of movies here too. So it's a great city, good food, good people.
Okay, tell me something about your Just Do. I mean, are you happy the response you are getting it?
Well, I'm extremely happy. We are on today's Wednesday, right? And so yeah, I'm a little lost because we've been traveling, but we've just gotten all the figures of how it did over the weekend, how it did on a Monday, how it did on a Tuesday. We did a fantastic opening over the weekend. We did a 22 crore opening weekend. We had 290 for Monday and 2.5 crores for Tuesday. So I'm very happy because the movie was made in a fantastic budget. So commercially and financially, it's a super hit. So I am extremely happy.
Being an actor, you must be having a thirst to being a part of the movie, but we could not see Dino in the movie.
Yes, there's always that actor in you who feels jealous and who wants to come out and who wants to be a part of every film that's being shot. But this one, it was a decision, a conscious decision to be only the producer. It adds more credibility to your company. And I needed to focus, get down and dirty on the job, and that's what I did. So I did my first movie as a producer, and I learned quite a bit, so I had to do it.
So in the future, you'll be in the background, front, you'll be taking care of in future?
I mean, I want to do both. I mean, acting is a priority. I'm still passionate about it. I might just produce a movie which I might act in also. So now I know the job, which helps me make my second and my third film easier.
How was your experience working with Sunny, because she was having a first experience in India, So you find any difficulties, or what kind of experience, any experience you want to share?
Yeah, of course. I mean, she's been fantastic right from the day we signed her till today. She's been diligent. She's one girl who came on board knowing fully well that this is what she wanted to do, and she gave it 110, 150% actually, which is great. And I think for any newcomer coming into the film industry here, if they put in that much of an effort, it shows, and it shows with her on screen. She's done a great job. The comments we read about her has been fantastic. So people have accepted her. People have responded really well to her, and I'm thrilled that we signed Sunny for this project.
What is Sunny, you have to say your experience? Now you got a name of Mr. Bhatt, Bhatt movie. So it's a big achievement as a newcomer.
I mean, it's amazing when Pooja told me the story of this woman and the story just in general. It was something that she was really, really passionate about. It's something that she, wanted me for the job, and we got along right away, and it was a lot of fun. She taught me a lot about acting. She taught me a lot about myself. She taught me a lot about this industry and Bollywood in general.
What about the acting? I mean, when you were on the cities, when you were shooting, do you find acting is a very tough job? Because, Pooja is a very big actor. I mean, no, you should take out the, cream out of the actor. So do you find any difficulty?
Well, if you just listen to, what your director wants and what she wants from you as an actor, then I think then you've accomplished a lot. For me, learning Hindi was very difficult at first, but once I was on set, once we started shooting, the Hindi part of it ended up being the easiest. And then Pooja, naturally, she directed me into all these scenes. She would give me a breakdown of everything that we did and she made sure that every shot was perfect. She'd look on her screen and say, this needs to be moved, this needs to be moved, and I think the hardest part were always the easiest things, and that's something that she would always repeat on set. She'd always say, you guys think that the easiest things are so easy to do, but they end up being the hardest. And it could be something simple as walking around a corner with conviction or whatever she wanted. The media hype with this movie has been absolutely amazing. The media has been so nice and so kind to us. Every single city that we've been in, all across this whole country, they've been really nice to me, and creating a very positive buzz for the movie. And as you can see by the numbers, that it's doing well, and obviously media and what we do go hand in hand.
Any expectations from the media channels? So many media channels are coming up. So any expectations you have or any message you want to go?
I don't have any expectations for them. I mean, I don't work in, in their field, so I would never want to tell them how to do their job. And as far as, like, the media has been amazing, and I think that if you're giving news that's accurate, then you're doing your job well.
Any dream that you want to work with any actor, co-actor?
I want to work with any actor that wants to work with me. Who do you think I should work with?
You suits with everybody.
I haven't really gotten past the idea of like who I'm going to work with. It's right now it's all been about this movie, about Jism 2, and making this a great success. And I think that we're here. And
For future, you are taking the more and more indie projects, Bollywood projects.
yes, there are a lot of different projects that I'm working on. There'll be a lot of stuff in the news that you'll end up seeing on different things that that I'm doing and that I'm working on.
Thank you.
Thank you.